Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of freezing on the application of Tinder. You will go to settings. Here in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search about Tinder and you can click, not here. You will go to this window here and you can click. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.